Well, good morning, guys. So you guys asked to see my Jeep, especially Mark. I think you've asked me a couple times you wanted to see my Jeep. So I am going to go ahead and shoot a video intro of my Jeep. All right, so here you go. This is a 2006 Jeep Wrangler. It's the X TJ edition or TJ X edition. So you see the little X right there. Sometimes it'll say Sport, sometimes it'll say X. I was told when I bought it, it was the Sport, but after I do more research, I guess it's just the X, but I don't know if the X is the Sport. I don't know. It's got 33s on it, or is it 32s? I don't remember. I think it's 32s by 12 and a half. 33 by 12.5 right there. So 33s, aluminum rims. I hand polished them. They're a little dirty, but I actually hand polished them myself. It's got the Nerf bars, as you see right here. Tubular bumpers. It came exactly how you see it, except I added the doors. It came with the full hard door with the glass. And of course, when you put the side windows on and the back window, it's completely closed in for inclement weather and, you know, run your air conditioner and stuff like that. Well, I went ahead and bought those doors. It was like 160 bucks for these doors, and they're nice. They're just lightweight material doors. You can get right in, get right out, no problem. You could pop them right off. Right here, you could just pick them straight up. And so my son asked me, why is there a lock when you could just reach in? Because you can just take the doors right off with these hinges. So when you lock this, you can't open this. So if you can't open this, then it's a lot harder to steal the door. So if you go someplace and it might be a little sketchy, then you can lock your doors. I took off the spare wheel and the mount because it was a huge, like having one of these big ass tires. First of all, if you're gonna have a Jeep and you're gonna have the big tires on it, you can't have a factory size spare tire on the back. That's just ridiculous looking. And when you put a big, huge tire on there, that's even more ridiculous looking. So I took it off, and I took off the third brake light, and actually the third brake light, I put in a LED strip right inside this vent that comes factory. So right there is actually an LED strip. So when you step on the brake, that lights, and that lights, of course. In the hitch that came with it, when you turn on your park lights or your running lights, whatever, that'll come on. Now I don't have a tripod, so I can't get on the brake and show you that brake light, but I don't know, maybe if I put the camera over there, maybe I can. So the interior is pretty nice. I got it with 103,000 miles on it. It's got a cigarette burn in the seat, but you know, that's nothing you can't take care of with a seat cover. My wife put the steering wheel cover on it because she didn't like the feel. I put this removable mirror on, so you can just undo this star bolt right here and take the mirror off, leave the base connected. So when you do put your hard doors on, then you have your regular mirrors. It is a stick shift. It is four-wheel drive, of course. So there's the four-wheel drive lever. There's the stick. So back here, open the little door here. I took the carpet out over here and over here. I'm taking the carpet out over here. It just comes right out. And I'm gonna undercoat this whole thing with Rhino liner. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do the front part as well. So the whole inside will be all Rhino lined. There's no rust anywhere except for this cheap ass seat I had to buy aftermarket because it didn't come with a seat. So this is just your rear, just drop it down and then you can stand up the back. So I had to buy aftermarket seat and I had to buy those off eBay. And I brought my garbage can into work and I dump it sometimes. So the rooftop was new when I bought it. They just replaced the roof. The tires are in excellent shape. The tubular bumpers and everything's really nice. Paint's in really good shape. I got it for, what did I pay? $12,500 for it. So it's got, like I said, the 6-cylinder 4.0 liter. The radiator does have a very slight leak right underneath the hose in the aluminum, but for $90 on Rock Auto, I ordered a brand new radiator. And since it's a stick shift, there's no transmission cooler lines or anything like that. So it's literally 6 bolts, a couple hoses, and easy swap. It cost me, I think, $95 or $98 for the radiator. I've wanted a Jeep my entire life, and this is the exact Jeep I've wanted for a very, very, very long time. This is a 2006. This is the last year that this model was made. 97 to 2006 is the TJ, and that's what this is. And I absolutely love it. One thing I don't like about it though, white raised letters, no raised letters. I like that better. And that's good because those are newer. So when I need to replace them, I'll be getting these. Let me go ahead and see if I can get the third brake light to work for you guys. That's probably going to be a good thumbnail. All right, so anyways, that's my Jeep. I appreciate you guys hanging out with me this morning. I'm on my way to Atlanta to go pick up a truck from MHC Kenworth in Atlanta. We had a service done to it, and so my transmission took a shit in my Peterbilt yesterday. As you might have seen from my community post, I posted a picture of my truck being towed and the awesome tow truck that came to get me and towed me back almost 100 miles. And so I'm probably gonna be out of a truck for a while, so I'm gonna be company bitch, doing what company bitches do. So I'm heading out to Atlanta to go pick up a truck that just got serviced and repaired and stuff like that. And this weekend, Saturday coming up, we're going to do backyard cleanup with a big freaking steel $700 pole chainsaw. The type that you twist and unlock and can expand it out like 45,000 feet. Pretty amazing. So it's brand new. I just bought it last weekend, and if weather holds up, we're gonna do it this weekend. So thank you guys very much for hanging out. I really appreciate it, and it's great to be back, and I'm so happy that you guys stuck around. And so I'll see you guys on the next one.